Indians love pakoras and Gobi 65 has become a hot favorite these days. And if you too love Gobi pakora, then here's presenting Gobi 65 recipe in air fryer, which is crispy outside and soft inside. So let's get started with this recipe. For the recipe to make Gobi 65, you need gobi cleaned and boiled in turmeric water for 5 to 8 minutes and then keep it aside. 1/4 cup of hung curd and 1/4 cup of rice flour, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. You may add masalas of choice. 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder or roasted cumin powder. Lemon zest is optional. I have added, it lends a slight tangy taste to the 65 cauliflower. Juice of half lemon. This is again optional, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and it will turn into paste, and this is our marination. I added 1 teaspoon of homemade beetroot powder for color because Gobi 65 has a reddish tint. But mix well and this is ready. Next we will be adding our slightly boiled gobi. Mix well. Why is it called Gobi 65? There are many myths and doubts regarding this. So let's set them aside and enjoy this healthy snack which has become widely popular in this country. Now add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. And remember, if any of the recipes says that you can make these pakoras without oil, I doubt, because I have tried it many times and I never liked the taste of oil-free gobi. So you will need at least slightly little amount of oil to make this a perfect recipe. Now refrigerate the gobi for at least marinated gobi for at least 3 to 6 hours, and after marination and refrigeration we are ready for baking Gobi 65 in air fryer. So I have used a banana leaf as a baking tray for my air fryer, but you may use any baking vessel for this. Grease it and then place the marinated gobi pieces on top, and it was smelling so good at this stage after marination. You will love it. You can add more spices, you can add more chili powder, you can skip beetroot powder. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes or longer. Remember, timings might vary from one machine to another. It often varies from one air fryer to another. And our Gobi 65 recipe in air fryer or baked is ready to be relished. Enjoy this healthy snack as a snack or with your as cauliflower bhaji. You will love it with rice and roti as well. I hope you liked this easy air fry recipe of gobi 65 or cauliflower 65 bhaji baked. If you do, please like, share and subscribe, and please do leave your feedback regarding this video as well as any other healthy snack recipe requirement of yours. I would love to fulfill that. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon. Enjoy. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Bye bye.